Hello, good afternoon. I'm here to speak about Keen in a few words. So that's it. Keen basically would like to establish itself on bridging a gap between the Mediterranean takeaway food that is currently operated. If you ask anybody about Mediterranean food, everybody will tell you very positive and very warm words about the food, about the way it's done. However, in London, some of the Mediterranean takeaway operators are not as good. We would like to bridge this gap and work on it. The way we're going to do it is work through the brand to move from the top design to something closer to the bottom one. For that, we define some brand values, which are elements that go through everything we do. Basically, we've got 3 brand values. The first one is wholesome, which will characterize the food in more details. The second one is uncommon, specifically addressing the design. And the third one is sanguine, which is going to be more around the people aspects and how we do that. I'm going to go through these brand values in detail now. You've got a quick mood board here to explain them. This is the application of these brand values to the brand in details. We've got on the top left a menu which has a choice which is pretty concentrated, but which give like some options to people. We've got our staff in the middle. We don't call them staff, we call them keynotes. We think it's much more important and much more personal to do it like that. There's no big corporate logo on the chest, it's much more relaxed, but does a good effect. On the middle left, you've got some type of promotions that we can give to people, to our customers who can come so that they can talk about the brand when they go back to their offices. In the middle, you've got some of the packaging. We believe packaging is absolutely key, and this is a key element of marketing expense for us, so we've done some big investment on that. Bottom left, you've got some of the communication. We want to be direct, at the same time show what we want to do in a confident manner, but at the same time relate on what we do. In the middle, you've got as well the food photography that we use. We use very simple ingredients. We do very good recipes, sophisticated menus from simple ingredients, and we should highlight that, and that's what we've done. We believe that our success will be among several factors. The biggest one will be around culture. If we manage to have our people to get the Keen company spirit, we are going to be a success. These two elements here translate the brand values directly to our keynotes. If our keynotes are keen and at the same time show love and care, then we will be able to make a good start in London. For that, we developed the random act of keenness, which is a way for our keynotes to give anything from the menu to any customers during the day. In terms of design, we did specific investment around the design. We've got a great designer and architect working for us. These are some of the design drivers that we can use. It depends obviously on the location. In the middle one, you've got the K, which is the first letter of the word Keen in plants, which show the care and love that our people have. And it shows like the uncommonness of our environment. If you look at Mediterranean cuisine, a lot of people think about tradition. We could use some mason jars, which are shown on the right side, and which bring this sort of tradition with modernity that we would like to use. This would be used for lighting. On the left side, we could show some ingredients, and this is what we want to do in the shops. Our chef, we have got 2 development chefs. We wanted to really push ourselves on the food side. The first chef we have used to work for Alain Ducasse in Paris. He was one of the head chef there. Now he works at Istanbul, at the Four Seasons Hotel, which is one of the best hotels that you have and the best restaurant in Istanbul. The second chef is British. He was here to adapt the menu to the British palate. He used to be a chef at the Savoy. He's been a senior advisor for Oaxaca, and he's opened the Oriel Brasserie and more than 100 Café Rouge in this country. So very good experience on the chef side. The menu, how it works, basically you've got 2 types of menu. The first part is about how people can customize their choice, as I showed you, and they select one of each element from the base, greens and main. It comes for the full meal. It's priced honestly and at a good price. People get value for money from that, and most of the menu is being developed for a wellness and happy menu. The second part is for people who want to be quicker, who've got a different price point, who just want to go do a pure grab and go option. We've got fridges for salads, large one, soups, and we'll have as well sandwiches, normal one and small ones. this is about us. We are two founders. We used to be in investment banking for a very long time. Before starting Keen, we wanted, however, to understand the success and what was working great in the restaurant sectors. So we worked on the brands on the left, from a normal employee all the way up to senior managers. We used to run a team of 60 to 100 people in restaurants generating more than 2 million turnover. We've got as well a board of directors, people who've trusted us from the beginning, who've invested in us as well. You've got the former CEO and chairman of Travis Perkins, the former MD Europe of Meridon, and the former CEO of Spain for WPP. So thank you very much. In terms of location, we are looking for an A1 site. We've got a central kitchen in Lambeth. And we just want a small locations. Minimum size is 200 square feet, and we will go up to 1,500. Thank you. I'll be at the back to answer any questions. Thank you.